How to add copyright in your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add copyright to your Squarespace footer. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard and then you can choose the website. After that, you will be on these dashboards. So you can go ahead to the website tab here, and then you can go to pages, and then you can choose the page you want to add the copyright. So usually it's in home, so you can go to home and then click edit, and then we are in website editor here, and you can scroll down to the footer. As you can see, I already have a footer made with Squarespace. I'm gonna change it uh, to copyright text. So you can click edit site footer and then we're gonna delete it. And then I'm gonna also delete maybe not. So I'm gonna add new block text. Then we're gonna put here, put here. Yeah, maybe a little bit down here. So now we have to put copyright icon. So you can just go to Google and then copyright icon, copy paste. You can, visit the website, whatever you want. And then you can just copy the icon, this one, this C icon. And then you can just paste it like that. And then you can type maybe copyright, maybe from the B, from maybe it's like that, and then it's like that, this is the year when my company is created, something like that, and then this is the last year or this year, and then yeah, just like that, and then you can just click save, and it's done. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.